Can't touch this. Can't touch this. My music hits me so hard, makes me say, oh my Lord, thank you for blessing me. What a mind to rhyme and to hype me. It feels good when you know you're down. A super dope homeboy from the old town, and I know it's such, and this is you can't touch it. I told you, homeboy, you can't touch this. Yeah, that's how we living, and you know you can't touch this. Look in my eyes, man, you can't touch this. You don't get busted for lyrics. Fresh new kicks and bands, you got it like that, then you know you won't be out of your seat and get a fire girl in case the beatbox rolling. Hold on, pull a little bit and let the noise go on like that. Like that. Hold on a minute, just fall on back, let them know that you're too much, and this is you can't touch. Yo, I told you, you can't touch this. Why you scared of this? You can't touch this. Yo, sound the bell, school is here, sucker. You can't touch this. Give me a song, or rhythm, make no sweat. That's what I'm giving now. They know, we talk about the hammer, we talk about a show that's hot and tight. Singers are sweating so fast, I'm a whiteboard tape. To learn, what's gonna take in the 90s to burn the charts. Look, chick, either work hard or you might as well quit. That's word, because you know you can't touch this. You can't touch this. Break it down. Stop. Hammer time. Go with the flow. It is said you can't prove this when you're probably on days away. Your hands in the air. Must be moves when you put your hands. This is it. For a win, you're dance to win. And you're going to win. Slide your up. Just for a minute, let's all do the bump. Yeah. You can't touch this. You better get hyped, boy, because you know you can't touch this. Ring the bell. School's back in. Break it down. Stop. Have time. You can't touch this. You can't touch this. You can't touch this. Break it down. Stop. Hammer time. Every time you see me, the hammer's just so hype. I'm dope on the floor and I'm magic on the mic. Now why would I ever stop doing this with others making records that just don't hit? I tour around the world, from London to the Bay. It's hammer, go hammer, empty hammer, yo hammer.